This week's tech tip is Google Chips inside of Google Documents. These can be used inside of Docs, Slides, and other Google Suite applications. So we're going to look here inside of Google Docs, and we're talking about a Google chip. We're going to hit the Shift, and we're going to hit number 2, which is the @ symbol, and then it is going to pull up our chip menu. You can see here now we can add in people. So if I add in a person, it will gray it out. That'll allow this thing to be clickable, and then pulls up the person, pulls up their information, allows you to email, schedule events, etc. I'm going to just pick through some of the ones that are the most applicable to education here, but there are, again, a bunch of other chips in here as well. We can add in dates. We can say that, 21st, start of school. Boom, we got ourselves a date in here as well. We can we can add in stopwatch. We can put in a timer. So if you're working inside of a Google Doc with some people, we need to put a 5-minute timer on this. We can add that in as well. And the timer will keep running as we keep working through this as well. We can put in tasks. So we can assign those tasks out inside of that Google Doc to the people that it needs to be assigned to. We can put in our voting chip. So if we needed to vote, this tech tip gets a thumbs up. Let's give it that. So let's make sure we got that. And then the last thing I want to highlight are creating calendar events as well. Actually, two things I want to add. Number one is calendar events. This will give you a nice kind of clean table to be able to add in any kind of calendar events for your tech tips. And the final one, and another one, is our files. You can type the file that you're looking for. So if I was looking for, some show notes from previous episode, I can bring those back as well. And you can start kind of, pulling up what's going in and attaching it. Or you can look for, I was just working in this document. If you scroll down to the bottom, kind of the last couple files you were working in will show up as well, plus any other calendar events that you have that you could attach to this document as well. So that is using Google Chips inside of your Google applications.